You've been using iCloud and your iPhone for years, but I guarantee you're missing out on some game-changing methods. So today, I'm going to show you three powerful systems Apple doesn't talk about. They're called the one-way method, the double system, and finally, the triple clean strategy. Each one solves a major problem. And not only that, there's more to discover, including privacy tricks, recovery tools, and pro-level cleanup you probably missed. Let's start with the one that almost feels too good to be true. First, the one-way method. This trick unlocks something amazing: unlimited photo storage, even on the free iCloud plan. Most people already know shared albums are great for sending photos to friends or making family albums. But here's what they don't know. Photos in shared albums don't count toward your iCloud storage limit. So if you're running low on space or stuck with just 5 gigabytes, this can be a real lifesaver. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then choose iCloud. Next, tap Photos and make sure Shared Albums is turned on. Now go to the Photos app, tap the Albums tab, hit the plus icon, and select New Shared Album. Give it a name and add the photos or videos you want to store. Once they're uploaded, delete the originals from your main photo library. That instantly frees up iCloud space. And here's the magic. Shared albums use a separate part of iCloud, so they don't affect your main storage at all. You'll still see the photos on your phone, but the actual files are stored elsewhere. Now, a few limits you should know. Each shared album holds up to 5,000 items, and you can create 200 albums per Apple ID. That's potentially 1 million photos or videos outside your main storage. Uploads are also capped: 1,000 items per hour and 10,000 per day. Photos are compressed to 2,048 pixels, and videos are limited to 720p. Anything longer than 15 minutes gets trimmed. So while this isn't great for professional files, it's perfect for everyday snapshots. Whether you're paying for iCloud or sticking with the free tier, the one-way method gives you extra space and peace of mind. If you want full control over your photos or just don't trust the cloud, this is the way to go. You can move your entire photo library off iCloud and store it safely on an external drive. Here's what you'll need: a flash drive with OTG support, like a USB-C drive, a Lightning-compatible drive, or a regular USB stick with an adapter. We've listed a few reliable options in the description. Now, here's how to do it. Open the Photos app and select the images or videos you want to move. Avoid selecting everything at once. Do it in small batches. Tap Share, then Save to Files. In the Files app, tap Browse at the top left. Under Locations, select your external drive. Pick a folder or create one, then tap Save to Transfer. Once the files are saved, you can delete them from Photos to free up space, or keep them in both places for extra safety. It's a quick offline backup, and best of all, you control every gigabyte. Before we get into the second system, the double system, let's pause for a moment. There's a small group of iCloud features and recovery tools most people never notice. But if you skip them, you'll miss out on some of the biggest benefits. For example, want to save storage instantly without losing quality? Go to Settings, Camera, Formats, and choose High Efficiency. This setting can shrink photo sizes by up to 50% while keeping them crystal clear. Need to recover deleted files? Sure. You can use the built-in Recently Deleted folders in Notes, voice memos, or messages. But what if you lose your contacts or calendars? Here's the magic. Go to iCloud.com, Account Settings, Advanced, Restore Files. You'll see multiple older versions of your contacts or calendar data, up to 9 versions in some cases. And you can restore one of those versions, which will replace your current data. So use this carefully. Now, the double system. This method gives you the best of both worlds: fast performance on your iPhone and full resolution access to the photos that matter most. You probably already know that turning on iCloud Photos helps free up space. When enabled, your iPhone stores smaller, low-resolution previews locally, while full-quality versions are uploaded to iCloud. It's a smart move for most people. But what if you still want certain photos or documents available offline, in full resolution, even without an internet connection? That's exactly what this method solves. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID, then go to iCloud and choose Photos. Turn on Sync this iPhone and select Optimize iPhone Storage. This keeps your local storage light and your device running smoothly. Step 2. If there's a specific image, document, or favorite moment you want to always have on hand, open it, tap Share, and choose Save to Files. You can select a folder either on your iPhone or in iCloud Drive. But here's the key. If you choose iCloud Drive, make sure to press and hold the file after saving, then tap Keep Downloaded from the menu. That ensures the file stays available offline and doesn't get offloaded later. Once that's done, you can delete the original from the Photos app to free up space, or keep it there if that works better for you. Either way, this method gives you flexibility. Your iPhone stays optimized and fast, while the files you care about most remain accessible in full quality, no matter where you are. And before we move on, there's a hidden set of iCloud settings that could quietly undo everything you just fixed. If you don't adjust them, your space-saving efforts might go to waste. I'll show you how to fix that, coming up next. 3. The Triple Clean Strategy. Your iCloud fills up quietly, but this method clears out the top 3 storage hogs in one smooth sweep. Most people assume photos are the main culprit, but in reality, it's often the things you don't notice. Old backups, message threads, even WhatsApp data silently piling up in the background. That's where the Triple Clean Strategy comes in. It targets the 3 biggest space wasters: photos, backups, and messages or WhatsApp. And the best part? You can clear all 3 without losing anything important. Just a smart cleanup without the stress. Step 1. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, and choose Manage Storage. You'll get a full breakdown of what's eating up space. Tap iCloud Photos, then choose Review Photos and Videos. Look for duplicates, random screenshots, or large video files you forgot about. On my device, this alone recovered almost 17 gigabytes, just from old media I didn't even need anymore. Then go back and tap Backups. This is where things really build up. You might see backups from old devices you haven't touched in years. Go ahead and delete any you no longer need. And don't skip messages. You'll see how much space Messages is using, along with a list of top conversations ranked by size. This lets you quickly find the heaviest threads and remove them in seconds, without deleting every single message. It's fast, it's focused, and it doesn't affect anything essential. This knocks out iCloud's biggest trouble spots, and it only takes a few minutes to feel the difference. There's a small tweak inside WhatsApp that can save up to 30 to 60% of storage, depending on how often you send and receive media. Most people never change it. And over time, it clogs your iPhone with gigabytes of invisible junk. Unless you change these settings, your iPhone might still be wasting storage behind the scenes. This method doesn't just remove old backup data, it also stops the clutter from coming back. Here's how to clean up WhatsApp and prevent future buildup. Step 1. Delete existing media. Open WhatsApp, then go to Settings, Storage and Data, Manage Storage. Sort files by size and delete large videos, photos, or forwarded media you no longer need. You'll be surprised how much space is hiding here. Step 2. Stop automatic downloads. Go to Settings, Storage and Data, Media Auto Download. Under both Wi-Fi and cellular, turn everything off: photos, audio, videos, and documents. Now, WhatsApp won't autosave every image or clip to your iPhone, which means less clutter, fewer headaches, and no more weekly cleanup marathons. Once you make these changes, you'll instantly reduce storage use and prevent it from creeping back up behind your back. Much like WhatsApp, Telegram can quietly fill your iPhone with media and cache, sometimes eating gigabytes. Here's a quick fix that clears existing clutter and stops future buildup. Step 1. Clear existing cache and media. Open Telegram, then go to Settings, Data and Storage, Storage Usage. Here you can tap Clear Telegram Cache or Clear All to wipe everything at once. Looking for more tips like this? Click one of those amazing videos and keep watching.